Featuring sleek professional styling, this under-cabinet range hood has 500 CFM suction to clear unwanted smells and odors from your kitchen. It's perfect for a kitchen with limited space, fits easily into an existing cabinet. High-tech LCD touch control panel to manage multiple functions, including 4 fan speeds, LED lighting, and clock. 4 fan speeds ensure you always have enough ventilation for clear, fresh air. Setting the clock is very easy. To begin, touch the clock button. The hours will blink. Repeatedly tap the plus button to set up the hour. When done, tap the clock button to switch to the minutes. Once again, repeatedly tap the plus button to set up the minutes. Tap the clock button to finish. 2 high-lumen LED lighting for year-round cost savings. 3 stainless steel baffle filters are included to trap grease and odors. They are machine washable and can be easily removed and reinstalled. Thank you for watching. AKDY, Design for a Purpose.